Hi, I'm Terri Johnson, Administrative Manager at the Museum of Danish America, and today I'm making agurkesalat, which is a relish. It's cucumber relish for hot dogs or pølse, and also remoulade, which is a condiment, kind of like an American tartar sauce with mayo, relish, and mustard. And then we're going to assemble a Danish hot dog, a pølse, which has all kinds of toppings on it. The agurkesalat, the remoulade, ketchup, mayo, diced onion, and fried onion. Danish pølse, perfect for your midsummer feast. Remoulade, which is, it's kind of like an American tartar sauce, but the Danes use it on everything. And from what I hear from colleagues and friends and Danish interns, they don't make it at home. You buy it in the store. But this is the kind that we make at the museum when we have events. So it's 1 cup of Hellmann's mayo and 1 cup of sweet pickle relish, a tablespoon of yellow mustard, whoops, and a little bit of sweetener. Then you mix it all up. And there's all kinds of remoulades. When I Googled recipes, they put chopped veggies in it, onions. It's like a Danish aioli. Danish remoulade. So I'm using about 1.5 English cucumbers because they have tender skin and they don't have very many seeds, and you can use a knife if you have great knife skills, but I like my handy dandy mandolin, and you just slice them thin like that on a plate and pat all the extra moisture off so they're not really runny, and then add them to the bowl. Some people put onions. I've seen recipes with dill. My family always did cucumbers and vinegar and onion. And then we have 1/3 cup of white distilled vinegar and 1/3 cup of just plain water and 1/3 cup of granulated sugar, a little bit of salt, and some pepper. You mix that all together until the sugar is dissolved and all the cucumbers are coated. And there we go, agurkesalat. And then let it sit for maybe an hour. The longer the better, but you can dive in right away if you want to. How to eat a pølse. You can put whatever you want on it. I would put everything on it. So we have a little ketchup, some mustard, the yummy agurkesalat, which is a condiment, not a side salad, as we think of here in America, real diced onions, fried onion, and you can buy the can or make your own. I've made my own and those are pretty good. But these are easy. And our delicious remoulade. Hot dog, Danish style.